On today's body cam, we're checking out woman loses it after DoorDash driver won't deliver to her hotel room.
On August 31st, 2025, officers responded to a hotel after a disruptive guest tried to fight her DoorDash driver and the hotel manager.
There we go.
What's going on?
Her off the property.
Huh?
I'm the front desk, and I want her off the property.
Okay, go over here.
She's no longer.
Go over here.
She's
Go over here.
She's no longer.
Female was causing problems.
I treat it as aggressive or.
Can you just go over there, please?
I'll take you. No,
I gotta keep you guys separated, right?
what's going on?
No, it's me.
All right.
So I'm going down.
Here, we'll go over here. We'll go over here.
Listen, Grandma, you touched my fucking face in that mansion.
Hold on. Stop. Come here. Right here. All right.
Listen.
All right. What's
I
up?
have no reason to lie to this lady.
Okay.
That's a tattoo. It's
Okay,
not
all
a everybody.
right.
It's
No,
not a
you're
nothing.
good. Cool.
I asked her to stop cussing in the lobby in front of my guests. She continued. She chased the DoorDash man outside, continuously to be loud and
Okay.
just like she is right now. So I want her off the property. She's no longer.
What's like?
Man, you could look at the dude face, the dude with the little one, man. You could tell he already knows she the problem, man. His lady, man. He already know.
Like, what causes it? The room disagreement? Like,
No, her being disrespectful.
She keeps claiming I'm intoxicated. Bitch, I only had one drink all night. I ordered Buzz Balls.
So
I'm
wait.
trying to get intoxicated.
What was your interaction to? Like, how
I'm
did it
trying
start?
to get the Buzz Balls, right?
Yeah.
So the DoorDash is giving me the thing,
Okay.
but he's telling me he can't come upstairs.
Okay. He's got to go to the lobby.
I sit on the first floor. Why can't you come on the first floor, right?
The DoorDash
So
guy?
the DoorDash guy.
Because it's their
so
policy.
Look, no, it's not their policy. I use the DoorDash. They could come in your house.
Okay.
It's not.
Nah. It depends on the hotel. Depends on the hotel. I've done DoorDash on the side as well too. So not every spot is gonna let you come directly to their room. They're gonna stop you. The front desk will stop you, and you'll leave the food with the front desk. And since she's ordering alcohol, she would have to come downstairs because they gotta grab her ID, and they would have to scan the ID in the DoorDash app. So no.
Not their policy. I use the
Okay.
DoorDash.
Okay.
So I said, because I have my child.
Okay.
I said, like, can you come to the door? Because, I said the first floor.
Okay.
You feel me? Can you come to the first floor? And he like, well, something. So when I get to the first floor and I see that it's a man, I said, well, this not even the person who I talked to on the phone.
Okay.
So when I said that, here she go. Well, if this is not what you you can leave.
Okay.
I said, ma'am, how can I leave if I'm just trying to get my DoorDash order? That's literally what the I said.
Yeah.
And then she like, oh, you're intoxicated. You can leave. First off, I stay all the way in Euclid.
Well, unfortunately.
And I have my child.
Yeah.
So it's not like I'm causing a disturbance.
No, I get it.
I didn't do anything to this hoe or nothing.
Yep.
Didn't call her out her name. She all in my face.
Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Stop. Don't
I'm
fucking
sorry.
do that. Yeah, back. Stop.
Exactly.
Stop.
And that's what she did.
No. Stop.
And that's what she did.
Time out. Don't fucking do that. Do you
I'm
understand?
sorry. And that's how I feel.
Okay.
And that's how I feel.
Okay, well, now I'm starting to understand her view from
No,
this,
but
okay?
if you're coming
No.
to me and you're in my head like
Sure,
this,
I get
how
that,
the
but don't
fuck-
do.
Back up. In other words, back up. And you better fix your tone and fix the way that you talking to me and come correct now. Act right. Because I get you together.
Do that to me. You
I'm not.
understand?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
But how the fuck am I
Okay.
supposed to feel?
I get it. Okay.
And then you're sitting up
But
here
you need to
telling
be- you need to
me
be
that
calm.
I'm intoxicated.
You need to be
I
calm.
was calm. I'm the one that called the police.
Sure.
anything physical?
She put her hand in my face.
Okay.
So,
I'm not upset.
So here's the
I'm
deal.
trying to go back to my room, bitch. I was
I don't
trying
think
to get Buzz
I don't
Balls.
think that's gonna happen. She wants it on. I don't think that's gonna happen. So this is the only thing that kind of
And then
sucks.
it's like,
So here's, I'm just gonna explain. No, no.
I have my child. I don't have nowhere to go. I don't drive.
Yeah,
I don't do anything.
so I get
if I
that.
get put out tonight, I'm getting put out to the streets.
But you're something.
And it's not like I
something
did
you're not
anything
understanding.
wrong.
Something you're
if
not
I'm
understanding.
going to get my DoorDash, what do you have to do
You're
with my DoorDash?
You're a guest in their house. If they want you going,
But
you gotta
look,
go.
babe.
No, but I'm serious.
No, but
Like,
listen,
we can't do anything about it.
I get that, but it's like, if
Yeah.
I'm going, I should have some type of rights. I should have some type of something.
Sure.
If I'm going to get my DoorDash, which is not illegal, for me to get my DoorDash, that should not be a problem. For me to
I get
say,
that.
hey, this is not who I talked to on the phone, which it wasn't.
Sure.
I talked to a lady on the phone. And when I went to the lobby, it was a man. You can look on the cameras, I saw that.
Sure.
So what does you have to do with this conversation? I wasn't being belligerent. I'm not drunk or nothing.
Sure.
I'm trying to get drunk, bitch. I ordered Buzz Balls.
Yeah. So look.
So it's like,
here's the
you
deal.
doing all
I
this
agree.
extra
I agree
shit.
with the DoorDash
I
stuff.
just feel like I should have some type of rights. I don't feel like I
All right.
have no type
All
of
right.
rights.
So I'm
like,
just gonna explain. All right. So I listen to everything you
what's
said.
my rights?
I agree with your
I
whole.
don't feel like you listen
Hold on.
to my rights.
So
because
I
basically
no.
in the
There's
end,
there's
you
no
said
rights.
she
This
wants
is
you out.
He's gonna get annoyed because he's trying to get his, get some words in, and she keeps over talking him, so he can't even get anything out to say anything.
Then
This is
that's
this
what
is
you
the
gotta do
issue.
with your
Yeah.
kid.
This is the issue, right? I could agree with you, right?
Like, what the
But at the end of the day, it's private property. They have the right to reserve whoever they want to sell to and whoever they want to kick off the property.
So basically, I'm kicked
Well,
off.
I don't know. We're gonna see what she wants to do. So I'm gonna tell her exactly what you told me. Like, it's you and your kid.
But she
You really don't-
already
hold
knew
on.
that.
Could you don't just listen sometimes? I heard
Told
everything
you.
you said. Okay, well,
Because
just
that's
listen.
my problem. I have to have the last
I get
word.
it. I see that. There's no first word or last word.
And
It's
I
just
know.
listen real
And I'm
quick,
still
and
starting
then I'll
to
give
that.
you the last word because I don't need to have the last
sorry.
word. But I just want you to listen to this. We're gonna go and see what she wants to
Can you
do.
just talk to her because
Jesus
what's she
Christ.
saying?
She's kicking you guys out. Yeah, I need your ID, ma'am. Ma'am. Why? Guys, don't turn up. It's gonna get real bad for you guys.
You want to take me to jail if I don't give you my ID?
Yeah, no, we got yours.
I know my rights. So
They
if
don't
wanna
want you to
in
come
and
back to their hotel.
That's
so we
fine,
need
and I'm leaving.
Who
Got you.
rented the room?
He did.
Okay.
That's fine, got you. And when I catch a ride and I get ready to go, that's when I'm leaving. Okay, we got to get out. I get it. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
But right
Thank
now,
you.
you gotta let me
Thank you.
talk, okay?
We
Right
get
now,
it. We got to get out.
right now, it's an issue with the hotel. If you continue to stay here, it's gonna be criminal
Really?
trespass.
Do you see us leaving? We
Okay.
can't just
And I-
hey.
I just need your ID.
Okay. Do you need my ID for if I said I'm leaving? I'm not giving you shit.
We have to docs if she wants to keep running.
If you don't wanna give us your ID and you wanna continue yelling, you are being disorderly. And you could go to jail
Stop
for that.
talking to me.
I need your ID, and
Thank you.
then we'll leave.
You said he don't want my ID, so he don't come back, so I don't orderly conduct. I'm not coming back. F- you.
We have to give you your warning for
Fuck,
trespass.
that's what you said you need my ID for. It's not mandatory.
It's time.
It's not mandatory.
DOC and stuff.
What? It's not mandatory.
Radio, what was the room number again?
It's okay, buddy.
My purse.
It's okay, buddy.
118.
It didn't have to be this way.
Do we have her?
Babe, don't get in my ID.
He know he tired of her shit. I know. I see the pain in his eyes, man. I know he tired of her shit, man. I could say, man, this guy has been decent. I can't sit here and say, because a lot of times with the couples, they both be backing each other and rah-rah. If one get rah-rah, the other one get rah-rah. And it just, and it goes chaotic. Him from the jump got the young one, the cops asked for the ID, gave the ID, yo, look, we gotta go. Okay, boom. He's been quiet. I like this guy. Right here, man. You know what I'm saying? He's decent. But his lady? Nah, man.
And I don't give a fuck.
You're gonna sit in jail until we ID you.
We didn't want to.
We didn't want to go, man. Listen, I just came home today with them. You know,
Okay, my ID right there. My son is crying.
it's too late for that now.
Okay.
Where's your idea?
Okay, I'm not getting my ID is right there.
Hey, don't stop. Hey, don't.
Don't break my So it's going to break my arm.
Just go. Hey, let's go.
Is it going to break my arm?
Because you're
Is it going to break my arm?
Just go, man. Just walk with him.
I'm not walking nowhere.
What are you doing? Girl. He's not going to go.
33 radio. We have a female in custody.
May, get your shoes.
Actually, we're gonna switch our groups. There we go. No, keep it. Look clear. Look here. So just carry this. This is okay.
So don't step on my feet.
I don't.
And you gonna pull my hair.
Yeah.
So that's treating me very inhumane.
80.
It's all.
Okay.
We're gonna drag. I'm gonna carry you like a baby.
So you're gonna drag me?
I know. I'm
So
gonna
you're
carry you
gonna
like a
drag me?
baby.
So you're gonna drag me? So are you gonna
I'm
drag
just gonna
me?
carry you like a baby.
So are you gonna drag me? I'm very confused. So are you gonna drag me? Are you going to drag me? I'm very confused.
You're acting like a dead weight.
Loop around. Yeah, just loop around.
I'm very confused.
Hang on.
You're just gonna grab her feet.
So are you gonna drag me? I'm dead
don't know.
ass confused. I'm dead ass confused.
Okay.
Damn, I'm getting dizzy watching this shit. Man, what the hell? The camera all crazy.
I'm dead ass confused.
Okay.
All this because I went to go do my DoorDash order.
You can probably go the
All
other
this
way.
because I went to go do my
Back.
DoorDash order.
That way, because
Like, what's the charge?
Walk.
What's the charge? What's the charge?
Back it off. Come on. Disorderly conduct.
60?
That's Kaya, 25-year-old female. Check the
way to do that in front of your kid.
How you gonna do this in front of my kids? What you talking about? I went to go get a DoorDash order. The fuck, and I'm just leaving it handcuffed.
So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, you'll be in court of law.
Is that after I'm arrested or
Yep.
before I'm arrested?
No.
Niggas, you read your rights. Before or after?
Hey guys, don't ever be this.
Before or after?
Didn't have to be like this.
Before or after? You read them your rights. Fuck.
Yeah, go ahead and just let him know.
I just wish y'all break the bones so I can what the f*** sue y'all bum ass niggas. Y'all see this shit? All because I DoorDash. All because I DoorDash. Don't DoorDash in this f***ing hotel. Don't DoorDash in this f***ing hotel.
Go
Don't DoorDash.
Go pull a car. There's a car right there.
The fuck? Y'all don't want me to tell the truth? I want a motherfucker get to talking. Y'all don't want him to talk. Don't DoorDash in this bitch. Don't DoorDash. They take y'all to jail for doing the DoorDash order. Fuck. And pull your fucking camera.
Right,
Want to do a fucking DoorDash order.
right.
Pretty ass nigga.
Watch your head.
Do we get an ID?
No. Is that what he called? That was her.
I don't know. In here. All right.
My feet are tired. I'm going to go and get me a drink. Go back outside.
Hey, real quick, man. Hey, so do you have a warrant out of Mayfield?
You said I do? Yeah, I got it.
I'm sorry, buddy. I need you to stay here though, Daddy, okay? I know.
I just got out yesterday from jail.
Okay, so they say you have a warrant. I let them know you have the little one. They're probably not going to take you, but we do have to. I have to wait with you until to hear what they say. If they want you, I can't tell them no. So, but I don't think it's going
He mad as hell. I know he mad. He mad as hell, man. She bringing all this attention like this? And you could tell he just got out, you know, because he got that calm demeanor, you know what I mean? Like, he's not, you know, he's not really rowdy, you know? Like, even when she was, like, standing right there, he's like, come on, just go with him, walk with him, you know? And then they come outside, and now she want to flop on the ground and roll around and all that. But she making it hot, you know? But they probably don't want him. You know, he just got released or whatever, so he didn't get transferred from jail to jail. So
It happened because you got a little one.
This is just a traffic ticket.
Yeah.
I just came home yesterday from prison.
There's a bunch of violent tendencies and cautions on here. And it looks like he just released from prison yesterday. The warrant is just for speed and expired plates. But his cautions are for attempted murder, felonious assault. You can advise on Mayfield's warrant.
All right, thank you. They don't want you, man. So
You're welcome.
just call them and get it taken care of, all right? We got to book her, process everything, and then she should get a bond and get right out. She'll get a court date, okay?
All right.
So we'll probably see you shortly, all right, man?
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest.